Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make GRN in Tally Prime. A goods receipt note, often called a GRN, is a crucial document in inventory management. It serves as an official record that you have received goods from a supplier. Essentially, it updates your inventory to reflect the new stock without immediately impacting your financial accounts. This helps you keep a clear track of items delivered to your premises. To begin, you need to ensure the receipt note feature is active in Tally Prime. Go to the gateway of Tally, then F11 for features and F2 for inventory. Set use tracking numbers to yes. Once enabled, head to vouchers from the gateway of Tally. You can then press Alt plus F9 to directly access the receipt note voucher. If it's not visible, select other vouchers and activate it. Now, let's fill in the details for your goods receipt note. First, select the party a /C name from whom you received the goods. If you have a corresponding purchase order, link it by selecting the order number from the list. This will autofill many details. Next, input the item details, specifying the exact quantity and rate of each item. Remember to add a tracking number, which is typically the delivery note number provided by your supplier. After entering all the necessary information, you can add a brief narration to describe the transaction for future reference. Once satisfied, simply press Ctrl plus A to accept and save your receipt note voucher. This action will update your inventory levels, which you can verify in your stock summary reports. The GRN is a vital tool for tracking goods received, especially when the supplier's bill is yet to arrive, ensuring accurate inventory management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.